Alright, we're in Milwaukee here at this parking garage, and it has an elevator in it, even though it's pretty small. So let's get a video of it and see what it is. Oh, the elevator was replaced. It's a Schindler now. And it's all rusty too. Look at that. Yes. Wow, there's a whole bunch of different access control bits here. I have a sneaking suspicion. Oh, never mind. Here's a view. Not a very impressive view, but a view. All right, back down to one. I guess the access control's only for B. I was worried we wouldn't be able to go in there. Not that we'd be missing out on a 338. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. It's kind of large, at least. It's a spacious elevator. This one's going into that part. Where it goes, that's all.